The thoughts you choose to think are the thoughts that will create your future. Louise. Hey. You might be wondering if you're on the right track with your manifestation. Sometimes, it feels like things are taking longer than expected, and doubts start creeping in. But what if I told you there are signs that your manifestation is closer than you think? It might be that you're already experiencing the shifts you need, and all it takes is recognizing the little clues that the universe is working in your favor. Let's get right into it. Here are 9 unexpected signs that show your manifestation is on its way. You start feeling unexplainable excitement or joy when you're on the verge of manifesting something significant. You may begin to feel an inner excitement that doesn't seem to have a clear cause. It's not related to anything specific in your day-to-day life, but it's a burst of energy or joy that appears out of nowhere. This emotional lift signals that you're aligning with the energy of what you desire. The universe is preparing to deliver, and your positive vibrations are syncing up with your desires. You keep seeing repeating numbers. If you've been noticing numbers like 111, 333, or 777, it's more than just a coincidence. Repeating numbers are known as angel numbers, and they are messages from the universe. These numbers often appear when you're in the process of manifestation, signaling that you're on the right path. They might show up on the clock, on license plates, or in other places where you wouldn't normally expect them. These are gentle reminders that what you desire is on its way, so keep your eyes open for these divine signs. You're attracting opportunities that feel aligned as you continue to focus on your desires. You may start to see opportunities come your way that feel so perfectly aligned with your goals. You might meet someone who offers you a chance you never expected or receive unexpected resources that help you move forward. These opportunities might seem random at first, but in hindsight, you'll see they were exactly what you needed to manifest your dream. Old patterns and beliefs begin to fall away. Manifestation isn't just about attracting things, it's also about letting go of old beliefs, habits, and patterns that no longer serve you. If you notice that certain limiting thoughts or negative patterns are starting to dissolve, it's a powerful sign that your manifestation is closer. As you release these old energies, you make space for your desires to flow into your life. The universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes that means shedding the old to make room for the new. You start feeling more at peace. Manifestation isn't just about getting what you want, it's about becoming a match to it. One of the unexpected signs that your manifestation is near is an overwhelming sense of peace. You start feeling more calm and centered, even in situations that would normally stress you out. This peace signifies that you're trusting the process, letting go of control, and allowing the universe to do its work. The more at peace you feel, the closer you are to receiving your desires. You notice synchronicities and coincidences. The universe loves to show you that it's working in your favor through synchronicities. These are those moments when you feel like things are falling into place in a way that's too perfect to be random. Perhaps you bump into an old friend who offers just the right advice, or you hear a song on the radio that speaks directly to your situation. These moments are no accident, they're signs that the universe is aligning things perfectly for your manifestation to unfold. You experience sudden shifts in your energy. Have you ever noticed a sudden burst of energy or motivation that just comes out of nowhere? This can be a strong indicator that your manifestation is on its way. Whether it's a new burst of creativity, a sudden desire to take action, or just an overall feeling of being energized, these shifts in energy are guiding you to take inspired steps toward your goal. Don't ignore these feelings, trust that they're nudging you in the right direction. You're feeling more grateful. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies you can embody when manifesting. If you are starting to feel a deep sense of gratitude for the things you already have in your life, it's a major sign that your manifestation is near. Gratitude raises your vibration, making you a magnet for even more blessings. When you begin to appreciate what's already in your life, you create space for more to come your way. You begin to believe it's possible. One of the most unexpected signs that your manifestation is close is when you shift from doubt to belief. When you truly believe that what you desire is not just possible, but inevitable, it's a powerful signal that you are on the brink of receiving it. Your faith and belief are key components of manifestation, and once you fully think of the idea that it can happen for you, the universe will start to move things in your favor. Many people expect their manifestation to appear in a specific way. They may imagine how it should look or when it should happen, but the universe doesn't always deliver on your terms. It's important to stay flexible and open to receiving in ways you hadn't planned for. When you release the need to control the outcome, you allow space for the universe to bring you exactly what you need in the most unexpected form. Whether it's through unexpected opportunities, people, or circumstances, the manifestation will arrive when it's meant to. There's also an energy of self-love that plays a key role in attracting what you want. When you begin to recognize your own worth, your vibration rises. You become more aligned with your desires simply by seeing yourself as deserving. You don't need to wait for external circumstances to shift before you acknowledge your value. Manifesting begins with understanding that you are worthy of all the good things that are headed your way. It's a shift in mindset that brings immense power to your ability to create the life you desire. Another key factor in manifestation is trust. Trusting the process and having faith that everything is unfolding in perfect timing is crucial. You can't force things to happen, they must unfold naturally. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning everything just as it needs to be. As you trust more and more, you let go of any fear or doubt that could block the flow of energy. This trust creates space for your manifestations to come to fruition in the most seamless way possible. Sometimes, what seems like a setback or delay is actually a part of the process. There may be moments when it feels like you're not getting closer to your goal, but that's just part of the ebb and flow of manifestation. It's important to recognize that every experience, good or bad, is serving a purpose. Even the challenges you face can teach you valuable lessons and help refine your focus. This growth process ultimately prepares you to receive what you're asking for. Manifestation is a beautiful process, but it can sometimes feel frustrating when things aren't happening as quickly as you'd like. However, the universe works on its own timeline, and it has a way of bringing things into your life when the time is right. Trust the signs, stay focused on your goals, and continue to believe that your desires are on their way. You've already set the wheels in motion, and now it's just a matter of aligning with the energy of what you want to bring into your life. If you're feeling impatient or doubtful, note that you're not alone. Many people go through phases of uncertainty as they wait for their manifestations to materialize. But it's in these moments that you must strengthen your belief and stay connected to your inner power. Your thoughts and feelings are powerful, and by maintaining a positive and aligned mindset, you are accelerating the arrival of your desires. Stay confident in the process and continue to hold your vision for the future. So, pay attention to these signs. The universe is always speaking to you, guiding you toward your manifestation. Whether it's through feelings of joy, seeing repeating numbers, or experiencing synchronicities. It's important to recognize these as clear messages that your manifestation is closer than you think. As you continue to take inspired action, stay open, and maintain a positive mindset, you'll soon see your desires start to take form. Keep trusting in yourself and the process. You're on the right path. Your manifestation is closer than you know.